Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we haven't looked at the numbers for a while, and I gotta say it's very interesting to note that Google Chrome was in the spotlight this year for many things, including pushing Manifest v3, which broke some of the ad blockers and many of the extensions. A lot of people were mad. A lot of people said they're not going to use Chrome anymore. And yet, when we look at the browser market share for desktop computers, the only thing that happened is that the Google Chrome is the highest it's been. It's actually surpassed 70% of the browser market, which means that a majority of users are using Google Chrome. And very, very far behind is Edge at 11.8%. And actually, when you look at the numbers, you could see that that rise here is actually seems to be also following a drop in Edge. Edge had actually been creeping up slowly for a while, and now it seems to go down as if something happened and people just didn't like Microsoft Edge suddenly. So this is interesting to see what's happening here. And it's interesting to note that Google Chrome is totally unaffected by the changes that were actually made. So this is from July 2024, so a year ago, even August a year ago, 64.5% market share for Chrome. We're up at 70.3% a year later. So what if ever thing will make Google Chrome drop someday? Maybe if there is a sale of Chrome to somebody else. We know that there are some buyers out there, including some AI companies. Would that maybe change things around? I don't know, but for now, it's dominant and it's not changing, just growing all the time. Brave is at 1.5, so it's nice to see that it's in the top 6 at least. Opera 2, Firefox 5, Safari, that's Mac only now, and because we're talking about desktop PC, it's really Mac computers only, 6.3. But pretty amazing when you look at it. I'd be curious to see, is there all platforms mobile? Yeah, I would like to see on Mac computers only. What is the Chrome numbers? So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.